Ever wondered why some projects succeed effortlessly while others constantly hit roadblocks? It's not always about budgets or tools. It's about the skills of the person steering for the project. The difference between an average project manager and a high-performing one lies in a handful of critical skills. Why skills matter more than titles. Being a project manager isn't just a designation. It's a responsibility. Tools, software, and certifications are helpful, but they don't guarantee success. Skills do. Skills allow project managers to inspire teams, resolve conflicts, and ensure projects meet goals efficiently, even when challenges arise. So, here are the 5 key skills every project manager needs to lead teams effectively, deliver projects on time, and drive real results. Number 1. Communication skills. Strong communication is the backbone of effective project management. It's about keeping stakeholders informed regularly, setting clear expectations, resolving conflicts diplomatically, and remember, it's not just speaking clearly. Listening carefully and writing concisely are equally important. Number 2. Leadership and team management. Leadership isn't about authority, it's about influence. A project manager must motivate and inspire the team, delegate tasks effectively, resolve disputes efficiently, ensure accountability across the team. Good leadership brings out the best in people and drives project success. Number 3. Planning and organizational skills. A well-structured plan can turn from chaos into results. This includes setting clear goals and breaking down tasks, prioritizing work and scheduling efficiently, allocating resources effectively. And when plans inevitably change, adaptability ensures the project remains on track. Number 4. Risk management and problem solving. A skilled project manager can identify risks before they become problems, analyze impact and develop mitigation strategies, make decisions under pressure with confidence. Proactive problem solving keeps projects resilient and on course. Number 5. Time and stakeholder management. Managing deadlines and stakeholder expectations is key. A project manager must control timelines effectively, balance multiple stakeholders' needs, work efficiently under pressure. Time management ensures progress, while stakeholder management ensures alignment. Mastering these 5 skills, communication, leadership, planning, risk management, and time management, separates average project managers from top performers. It's not just about managing tasks, it's about leading projects to success with confidence and control. Now you know the essential skills every project manager needs. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for practical insights and training to help you lead with excellence. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.